What's up, YouTube? This your girl, My Heart's Diverse. Thank you for joining me today. So, we're at a stay-at-home order, so that means businesses are closed and we need our nails done. The nail salons are closed, the stylists, hair salons, all that. So we can do it ourselves though. How about we use a glitter polish? And that new growth on there that makes us want to go redo our nails, go get a refill. Well, we can do it ourselves and cover up that new growth. So what we're going to do with that glitter polish is we're going to stack it onto that new growth. Stack it onto that new growth and just kind of like do each nail the same way. So now, you guys, we're gonna apply a clear coat. About 2 coats of clear polish will do on each nail after you have finished filling in the gaps with the glitter polish. And I would suggest the glitter polish have the big glitters in it, not the small ones, because it covers more. So try to get that type of glitter polish. It would work better and it covers more for the gaps. But we just gonna apply 2 coats of the clear polish. Any kind of clear polish will do. So now, you guys, are at the end. Make sure your nails are completely dried before doing anything. And that is it, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Make sure you also hit that notification bell so you're notified when more videos come out. Thanks for watching, guys.